Hey, this is Tyler with AHW. Today we're in the shop with the Hagee STS12 and we're going to take a look at the most overlooked features that make a used sprayer a great deal. Historically on sprayers, technology features consisted of section control and AB AutoTrac. Today we're looking at technology such as PWM nozzle control, AutoPath, See & Spray, and AutoTrac Vision. There are a few ways to obtain this technology. One, add it to an existing machine, or two, purchase a machine that already has the technology on it. You want to be careful with option one. When adding this technology to high-hour machines, these techs could cost tens to hundreds of thousands of dollars. The good news is this technology has been around long enough that there are plenty of opportunities to find a used machine with the technology already installed. One of the most sought after features on a sprayer is the PWM nozzle control system. This machine is equipped with John Deere's ExactApply nozzle control system. ExactApply gives you the ability for high flow applications, AB nozzle spraying, or A+B nozzle spraying. As you think about adding this to an existing machine, notice how integrated it is into the boom structure. Consider the investment in parts and labor to adding this to a machine versus purchasing a machine with it already equipped. Now we're up in the cab of this Hagee STS12 and we're going to talk about a few other technology features. AutoPath turn automation and RowSense are becoming more sought after. And to ensure the machine you're looking at is equipped with this software, you'll want to take a look in the display. You want to go to Menu, System, Software Manager, Activations. You want to ensure the features that you are after are highlighted in green. Here on the side of the machine, I want to talk about a feature specific to Hagee, and that's the Hagee load pump. I want you to keep in mind your current product loading situation and take note that in 22 to current, Hagee offers a load pump. And without this load pump, you'll be required to use some sort of external loading device to fill product onto the machine. Another point I'd like to make, as you consider upgrading your sprayer, keep in mind that machines with factory installed technology tend to hold their residual value better than machines with aftermarket kits. Again, I'm Tyler with AHW, and these are the features that make a used sprayer a great deal. If you'd like to learn more about used sprayers or any other John Deere equipment, visit us at one of our many locations or online at ahwllc.com. And remember, AHW is always here when there's work to be done.